Hey everyone! If you're a small apartment investor, you know how crucial it is to screen tenants effectively. Today I'm going to show you how to analyze tenant finances like a pro. First up, gather some hypothetical financial documents for practice. Start with sample pay stubs, tax returns and bank statements. Look for different financial situations, steady income, seasonal work, freelance earnings, you name it. Then grab some sample rental applications with details on employment history, income and existing debts. These are your goldmine for verification and calculations. Now let's dive into income to rent ratios. Review the tenant's reported income. For example, if the annual income is $54,000, divide by 12 to get $4,500 per month. Apply the 3-to-1 income to rent standard. If the rent is $1,500, you get an income to rent ratio of 3:1. Simple, right? But if the tenant has significant debt, adjust that ratio slightly. Always account for debt payments to assess affordability accurately. Next, let's calculate debt-to-income ratios. Add up all monthly debt obligations. If it's $500 a month and the income is $4,500, the debt-to-income ratio is about 11%. Lower ratios, say below 40%, are favorable and show the tenant has more income available for rent and living expenses. Employment stability is another key factor. Make a hypothetical call to verify employment details. For freelance or self-employed applicants, look at a mix of bank statements, client contracts, or tax returns to gauge income consistency. Finally, summarize your findings. Create a financial profile for each tenant, including income-to-rent ratio, debt-to-income ratio, and employment stability. Determine if the tenant meets your financial requirements or if additional conditions like a cosigner are needed. A few additional tips. Use screening software to automate income verification. Ask for extra documentation for tenants with irregular income. And communicate your screening criteria upfront in rental listings. By practicing these assessments, you'll build confidence in evaluating tenant finances and ensure long-term property stability. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Happy investing!